sis, your silk press is not silkening because you are not hydrated. You're not drinking your water. Your hair isn't hydrated. You are not deep conditioning. You're not cleaning your hair. If you want to know how to do your own silk press at home and get results like this, then keep on watching because I'm going to show you guys how you can achieve silk press salon results at home and do your own silk press. We're going to jump straight into this DIY silk press at home. The first thing that we're going to do is cleanse our hair. That is the most important thing, the cleansing process before you even jump into trying to flat iron, curl. Your hair needs to be completely clean. So I'm going to have all the products that I'm using in this tutorial listed down below in the description box so you guys can check them out for yourselves. But the first thing that I'm going to do is a cleanser shampoo. I have a cleanser shampoo, hydrated shampoo, and I also have a leave-in conditioner treatment we're going to do. A leave-in conditioner as well as a leave-in treatment. So let's go ahead and start with our shampoo.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to.
Alright y'all, so now that we have our hair and scalp thoroughly cleansed and moisturized, I'm going to go in with a deep conditioning treatment. I'm going to be using the Thank God It Is Natural Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. This has black castor oil and biotin, which is going to be so good for just helping those strands out. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this and comb it through. That's the most important thing. It does say on the actual product to comb this thoroughly through the hair, and I am going to sit underneath a hooded dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes on like a medium heat setting so that way the mask can deeply penetrate into the hair strands. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this mask and then we'll be back to do our leave-in conditioner.
When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love.
So now that we have our hair thoroughly shampooed, conditioned, cleansed, and moisturized, we're going to go ahead and blow dry our hair. Before we do that, I am going to add in a leave-in conditioner. This is the Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk HCO leave-in conditioner. If you know about the HCO, you already know. It's important when you are doing a silk press to have a lightweight leave-in conditioner because this product is going to be lightweight. It's going to give the hair moisture, but it's also going to allow for movement. So that's exactly what we want. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm generous with mine. As you guys can see, I'm almost out of this one and I got a whole new bottle. So this stuff is really the truth. I'm going to go ahead and spray this all throughout my hair. And I just love how this smells. It smells so good. This is the blow dryer that I'm going to be using. I am going to link it down below in the description box. I do use the comb attachment that comes with the blow dryer. This one is pretty strong. I haven't broken it. It is a little bent up as you can see, but I haven't broken it. Now, it is your preference if you want to use the concentrator and do a round brush to blow dry your hair, but for me, I just don't got that type of patience with my hair, so I just go ahead and use the comb. To me, I don't see a difference for my hair personally using a round brush versus using the comb attachment, but for the purposes of the video, we're going with the comb attachment. So you guys, I'm super duper excited to be finally trying out these next two products. The first one is the Color Wow Dream Coat Extra Strength. Had to go with the extra strength. This is going to help moisturize our hair, and it's an anti-frizz treatment, and it's going to have smooth, long-lasting results. So we want our hair to look nice, smooth, and silky. So that's why I picked up this Color Wow Extra Strength. And then I also have the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. This is a advanced dry thermal protectant. So it is a heat protectant as well as pretty much like an accelerator to cut down on the time of your blow drying. So I'm going to mix both of these two products. And as you guys can see, I did get the mini version. I definitely suggest when you are trying out a new product, if it comes in a mini, get the mini so you can see how you like it before you jump and get the big one. But honestly, the price point between these and the big ones, I think I'm probably gonna get the big ones if I really do like these. So I'm gonna actually spray the Color Wow first, and we're gonna be generous with this too. So I'm gonna spray that all in this section, and that smells pretty good. And now I'm gonna go in with the blow dry spray as my heat protectant. And oh my gosh, both of these products just smell so amazing. Alright, so here's what my hair is looking like after blow drying my hair. It did take me about 15 minutes to blow dry my hair, so I will say that is definitely pretty impressive with that product. My hair does feel super straight. I'm able to just run my fingers through it, not getting any tangles. It's super dry and it's very, very soft. Like, I love how soft my hair feels. I'm just going through and making sure that I don't have any wet spots, because that is the worst thing, to not have your hair fully dried and then to go and try to put heat on it. So I'm just letting my hair cool off a little bit, rubbing my hands through it just to make sure everything is nice and dry before we go in and actually press the hair out. Alright y'all, so now it's time for the secret sauce. We're going to add in a serum. Today I'm going to be using the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. So I am going to apply a little bit of this. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to weigh my hair down. I do want a more, just a light flowy vibe. So I'm just going to go ahead and do about 1 to 2 pumps of this. So I'm going to do 2 pumps. I'm going to spread that evenly throughout my hands, and I'm just going to run my hands through my hair. I don't know why I paused just now, but just going to run my hands all throughout my hair and generously apply that to my hair. And make sure that I get it on those ends, because I don't want to weigh the hair down, but I do want to add in a serum. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get my edges intact. So I am going to be using my hot comb on 410 to press my edges out. So I'm simply just going to, and I'm going to do the best I can, y'all, because I'm trying not to burn myself with this hot comb. But now it's time to silk it on out. I have my Babyliss flat irons. I have them on 410 as well. And the goal is to only do 1 pass, y'all. So I have this really, really tiny section. So another reason why your silk press ain't coming out right is because you're not doing small enough sections. So you do have to do small sections. Take your time. We're not in a rush to make sure your hair is pressed out, so that way we do not have to do multiple passes. And you shouldn't have to do multiple passes if you did a good blow dry job. So we're gonna go in tiny sections to press out the hair. And really, it shouldn't have to do too much because the blow dryer should have done most of the work. Oh, okay, okay. Look, clock it. Okay, let me not get too excited. That was just only 2 passes, two sections. Y'all, look at that. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me get into the other side. Go in with one final product. This is the Care Thermal Wonder 6-in-1 thermal protector. I just love how this smells and how it just adds a nice light shine to the hair. So I'm just gonna lightly spray this on each quadrant, but really focus it on my ends.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be whole, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride.
Alright y'all, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's take down these pin curls and see what we working with, okay? So I'm just gonna start taking them out in the same direction that I started when I put the curls in.
Up and down, all gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down.
When it comes to taking out your silk press, you need one of these combs. This comb, like, this the OG comb right here when it comes to, because you can pick it out so many different ways and you have 3 combs in one. I just love using this comb. So I'm basically just going to comb my hair going backwards away from my face with the widest side. Oh my, look, oh my gosh, do y'all see that? Do you see that? The body, the volume, the curls. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. The body, oh my gosh. The body, the curl. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's definitely like that 70s Farrah Fawcett, like, or like 90s, the 90s blowout. Like, oh my gosh. I'm so in love. Oh my goodness, y'all, look, yes, and it's so bouncy and soft. Oh my goodness, period.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up?